Welcome to MedTech Global Insights. This week, we are focusing on the United States and the dramatic evolution of the FDA's 510K pathway. The process in 2026 is not what it was just a few years ago. Two major changes are creating a new set of challenges for medical device manufacturers. The first is cybersecurity. Following the implementation of Section 524B of the FD&C Act, the FDA now has explicit authority to demand robust cybersecurity protections for connected devices. This is no longer a suggestion. It is a mandatory submission component. For any 510K involving a cyber device, manufacturers must now provide extensive documentation. This includes proof of a secure product development framework, a detailed plan to monitor and address post-market vulnerabilities, and a complete software bill of materials, or SBOM. For example, a company developing a new wireless patient monitoring system must now map out every third-party software library in their device and show how they will patch vulnerabilities for the entire product lifecycle. The second major shift is the formal acceptance of real-world evidence, or RWE. The final guidance issued in late 2025 has been a game-changer. The FDA now allows the use of high-level, de-identified data from sources like electronic health records and patient registries. This can be used to support submissions of substantial equivalence. A practical example is an orthopedic device company seeking clearance for a new hip implant. Instead of conducting a new comparative clinical trial, they can now potentially use 5 years of post-market registry data from a similar existing device to demonstrate equivalent safety and performance. This is a powerful, cost-effective tool, but it requires deep expertise in data analysis and regulatory acceptance criteria. What this means is that the barrier to entry for the US market is becoming more complex. Companies must now think like software security firms and data science organizations, not just traditional device manufacturers. The required investment in cybersecurity infrastructure and data analytics is substantial. Strategic planning for regulatory submissions must now begin much earlier in the product development lifecycle. Navigating this new landscape requires specialized expertise. For guidance on adapting your regulatory strategy to these new FDA requirements, contact Pure Global at info@pureglobal.com or visit our website at https://pureglobal.com.